Question 10. Under what illustration from nature are the resurrection and the final salvation of the righteous taught?
Answer. That which thou sows is not quickened, except it die. 1 Cor. 15:36. Verily, verily, I say unto you, except a corn of wheat fall into the ground, and die, it abides alone. But, if it die, it brings forth much fruit. John 12:24. Not the seed dies to spring forth into new life. In this we are taught the lesson of the resurrection. All who love God will spring forth to life, and live again through endless ages in the earth made new. The open grave, in the city of Hanover, Germany, is a tomb known as the open grave. It is that of a German countess, who died over a century ago. The grave was covered with a marble block, surmounting large stones bound together with clasps of iron, with this inscription: "This grave, purchased for eternity, must never be opened." But how feeble are all such devices! The Jews had confidence that the grave of Christ was made secure by the Roman seal and Roman guard, and yet one angel, clothed with resurrection power, rolled away the stone, and Jesus came forth. So with this grave in Hanover, it happened, providentially perhaps, that a birch-tree seed fell into a crevice between the massive stones. Soon it sent forth a tender sprout, and a tiny root found its way down between the ponderous stones. Slowly and imperceptibly, but with irresistible power, the young birch grew, until at last its roots burst the bands of iron asunder, and opened this securely sealed tomb, leaving not a single stone in its original position. What a mute, but striking illustration of the promise that, erelong, in God's own time, all graves shall be opened, and the sleeping ones awake from their dusty beds.